Hello and welcome to the Gate Forex Weekly Fundamental Outlook for February the 14th to February the 18th. www.gateforex.com. Okay, looking at the fundamentals for Monday the 14th, 2011. First of all, from New Zealand, we will see retail sales. Recently there has been a lot of weak data from New Zealand, and this finally helped to drag the Kiwi down. So it will be interesting to see whether this data is also weak. From Japan, we will get important data with preliminary GDP data. From Australia, we will see home loans data, and we'll see the effect of the high interest rates and to see if that has helped to slow down the Australian economy. People are watching this because if housing starts to slow down, then there's less pressure on having to raise the interest rate. Then from Europe, we will see industrial production. On Tuesday, the 15th of February, we have a very busy day with fundamentals. These are just a few of the important ones, but there are a huge range of fundamentals on Tuesday. From China, we will get CPI data, and we will get trade balance data. If CPI has fallen like it is predicted, then there is less pressure to raise interest rates, and this will be positive for the Australian dollar and the Kiwi. From Japan, we will see the policy statement to do with the rate that is expected to be unchanged. We will also see some more GDP data. After we see Monday's GDP data from Japan, we get Europe's German preliminary GDP data. Germany is the biggest economy in Europe, so this is always focused on. Then from the UK, we will see CPI data, and we will get the inflation letter. An inflation letter has to be written if CPI data is over 3%. That means inflation is over 3%. Then from Europe, we will get economic sentiment data, and we will get retail sales data out of the US. So we can see it's a huge day for fundamentals, and it's going to really be interesting in the markets, and this will definitely set the tone for trading over the next few weeks. Then on Wednesday, actually it's a very busy week this week. On Wednesday from the UK, we will get jobs data with the Clement count change. Also from the UK, Bank of England Governor King will speak. Out of Canada, we will see manufacturing sales. There was a huge drop in manufacturing data last week, so it will be interesting to see what effect this has on the month-to-month manufacturing sales data. Out of the US, we will see building permits, see if there's any pickup in housing. We've seen some pickup in jobs, we've seen pickup in manufacturing, but building still remains weak, so this will be interesting to see if this picks up also, which will add more support for the US dollar if it does. Also from the US, we will get PPI data, which gives us an indication of inflation and interest rates, and we will get the important FOCM minutes. Very important week this week. Out of New Zealand, we will get inflation data with PPI input on Thursday. Out of Switzerland, we will get economic expectations. And then it's all about the US. We will see core CPI data, unemployment claims, a speech from Ben Bernanke, and the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, which has bounced back recently. Then finally on Friday, the data does not stop, and we continue to get more data out of Europe. We get German PPI data. Out of the UK, we get retail sales data. Out of Canada, we get core CPI data. The US, Ben Bernanke will speak again. out of the UK. Bank of England Governor King will speak. And also there is a G20 meeting in Paris, which runs on Friday and Saturday. So, as you can see, this is going to be a huge week of fundamental data, and this will definitely guide the markets for the rest of this month of February, if not for longer, and will set the new tone of where trading should be over the next month or so. So we will match this with our technical charts, and we will look for breakouts using this data as well to back up the theories that we have on the technical charts. That's all for the week. Good luck with your trading. Thank you from Gate Forex, your gate to Forex. www.gateforex.com